So good afternoon, all of you.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Okay, good afternoon. Let us start. Read number first, successive differentiation. So in last lecture, we have aimed the unit number third. So we have start today. Read number first, successive differentiation. Total 13 marks for university exam. 13 marks for university exam. Passing साठी 40% लागतं. Passing साठी किती लागतं? 40%. 40 मार्क लागतात out of 100. त्यातले 70 + 30. 30 मध्ये 12 मार्क पासिंग लागतात आणि 70 मध्ये राहिलेले किती? 28 मार्क पासिंग लागतात. तर केअरफुली जर तुम्ही अभ्यास केला तर 22 आणि हे 13 किती झाले हो? 35 मार्क. 2 युनिट मध्ये तुम्ही पास होऊ शकतात जर परफेक्टली केलं तरी. फक्त 2 युनिट परफेक्ट करायचे, बाकी काही करायचं नाही चालत. 2 युनिट मध्ये तुम्ही पास होत आहेत. इथं 35 पडू शकतात आणि इकडे आयएससी ला 12 पडू शकतात. आयएससी ला 12 साठी थोडासा अभ्यास करावा लागेल, पण इकडे ऑफलाईन म्हणजे इकडे पुढे 70 पैकी तुम्ही 28 इझिली घेऊ शकतात. क्लिअर? त्याच्यामुळं पहिला युनिट आणि हा युनिट केअरफुली केला तर योग्य होते. ओके. So you see the successive differentiation unit number first. So okay. Now write on the topic successive differentiation. So we see the, or we just wait for a few minutes. We just wait for a few minutes. Some participants are joined. Okay. All of you solve. तुम्ही try example solve करायला try सुरुवात केली का रे? MCQ example solve करायला सुरुवात केली का?
Yes, sir.
ओके, व्हेरी गुड. दररोज एक 20 एक्झाम्पल जरी सॉल्व्ह केले तरी गुरुवारपर्यंत तुमचा टॉपिक संपतोय बरं का. जसा मूड असेल तसा. जास्त एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व्ह केले तर वेल अँड गुड. काहींचे झाले असतील 50%, काहींचे चालू असतील. How many participants in last lecture?
54, sir.
54. Okay. Means 53 are there. One staff means 53 are there. Okay, so a lot of people are there. So we just start. So, sir, write on the topic name successive differentiation. So, before you start that topic, tell me what is the differentiation. Just tell me what is the differentiation. What do you know about that differentiation? Yes, what do you know about the differentiation? Yes. What do you know about the differentiation?
Concept of derivative of a function.
Yes, Shubham, please repeat.
Concept of derivative of function.
Concept of the derivative of the function. Very good, very good, very good. Another, any another?
Differentiation. Derivative is differentiation of the function with respect to some constant.
With respect to some constant is not actually constant, it's some variable.
Variable. Yeah.
Same variable, that's the better word. So constant derivative will always be given. So what about the other? Yes.
Rate of change of some equation.
Rate of change of equation. We go to the derivative concept. Well and good, good, very good, very good. So differentiation is nothing but one type of sequence of derivative. Okay, sequence of derivative. Just this is nothing but just a plain derivative. Okay. Now suppose the y is equal to f of x. We consider the function y is equal to f of x. and then in that we can take derivative of y with respect to x. So we can take the derivative of this function. Means differentiation means we are taking the derivative of some function. That is a differentiation concept. Okay. So what is successive now? What is the successive now? Yes. What is successive now?
Continuous
Continuous. Very good. Very good.
without any pause.
Without any pause. Very good. Other? Any other? Any other? Okay. Any other participant? Yes, please.
Differentiating again and again.
Again and again. Very good. What about the other? Yes, Megha, Kushi, Sharyu, Kriti, Sakshi, Deepak, Abhishek, Sangram, Jay, Ritesh. Yes. What about the other people? ज्यांनी आतापर्यंत सांगितलं नाही ते सोडून बाकीचे सगळ्यांनी सांगा. चला पटकन.
Repeating several times.
Yes, your voice is low. Please, loudly.
Repeat the differentiation with several times.
Several times. Okay. Can anyone give the example? Can anyone give the example? Yes.
Suppose a function f, then its first derivative will be f dash x.
Okay. Which type of function we are taking here? F is equal to.
I didn't get that, sir. What do you mean?
Oh, okay. We just.
Okay, f of x. Yes.
Yes. F means f of x. Okay. We just in shortcut. F of x. Okay.
And its derivative will be f dash x.
Yeah. Derivative of f dash of x. First derivative, second derivative f dash of dot dash of x. Third derivative f cube of x. Then fourth derivative f raised to 4 of x. Okay. Then f raised to n of x. Well and good. No problem. These are the some derivative. Okay. Well and good. Good. But what is actually? Okay. Just any another participant? Yes, Aditya. You want to participate something, Aditya? Godke Aditya and Chaitanya. You want to participate some? Yes, Abhishek.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Hello.
हाँ बोला क्या एक सेकंड बोला कि तुमने बोला
X raised to n, its derivative is n into x raised to n minus 1.
ओके मला एक सांगा बरं आता तुम्ही आता खूप चांगल्या पद्धतीने मला सांगतात वेल अँड गुड ओके व्हेरी गुड ओके actually not actually higher order differential coefficient. Okay. Yes. तुम्ही खूप चांगल्या रीतीने सांगितलं वेल अँड गुड सक्सेसफुल डिफरन्शिएशनचा अर्थ तुम्हाला खूप चांगल्या रीतीने सांगितलेला आहे ओके सो हा यस
Sir, let us take example y is equals to suppose x raised to 5. So first differentiation 5x raised to 4, and after we differentiate it again, then it will be 20x raised to 3, just like that.
Okay, well and good Yash. Means we will start with y is equal to x raised to 5. Then we will continue the derivative till fifth derivative. What about the y6 derivative? Y6 derivative will be 0. Y6 derivative will be 0. That process is nothing but what? The process is called as successive differentiation. That process is called as successive differentiation. Suppose ओके प्रत्येकात झालं हे युनिट नंबर फर्स्ट लिहिला प्रत्येकाने सक्सेसिव्ह डिफरन्शिएशन टोटल 13 मार्क ओके वी गो टू द नेक्स्ट पेज suppose we take that one example y is equal to e raised to x or e raised to x. Now tell me what is the first derivative dy by dx.
E raised to x.
E raised to x.
So that y1. What is second derivative y2?
E raised to x.
What is y3?
E raised to x.
What is y4?
E raised to x.
What is y Solapur?
Raised to x.
Sorry.
E raised to x.
E raised to x. What is y Antarctica?
E raised to
E
x.
raised to x.
What is the y infinite I? E raised to x. We are continuous the we take the continuous the derivative na. This Solapur means we are take the some number. Suppose from Pandharpur distance will be suppose 72 kilometer. So why 72? So Karnataka distance near about 1000 kilometers. So we are take that y 1000 derivative is e raised to x. So Antarctica the distance will be suppose somewhere 10,000 kilometers. Suppose we don't know. We just imagine 10,000 kilometers. So what is y raised to x? So this is 10,000 derivative will be e raised to x. So the derivative will be whatever the derivative we take the first derivative, the result may come again. Result may come again. Yes, again differentiate part means again and again we can take the derivative. That process is called as successive differentiate. So कधीपर्यंत स्टॉप करायचं कुठपर्यंत दॅट इज नथिंग बट इनडिफिनाइट प्रोसेस इनडिफाइनाइटली माहित नाही याचा एंड किती आहे तर तुम्हाला दिला सपोज y 100 काढा तर तुम्ही इझिली काढू शकता तुम्हाला माहितच नाही याचा प्रोसेस काय काढायचा आहे आता सपोज मी घेतलं y इज इक्वल टू x स्क्वेअर आणि तुम्हाला विचारलं y 10 याचा 10th डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काय काय ना याचा 10th डेरिव्हेटिव्ह यस
0.
इट्स obviously 0 why because it is the first derivative will be 2x and second derivative will be 2 and third derivative will be 0 ना means तिसऱ्या डेरिव्हेटिव्ह पासून सगळं वरचं 0 येणार आहे त्याच्यामुळे आपण y कन्याकुमारी पर्यंत जाऊ शकत नाही ओके पंढरपूर मधून कोपळपूर मधून बाहेर पडलं तर पंढरपूर मध्येच एंड होतं त्या ठिकाणी त्याच्या पुढे जाताच येत नाही आपल्याला दॅट इज द लिमिटेशन ऑफ दिस डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ना सो दॅट प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड ॲज successive derivative. So all of you clear that what is the successive derivative? What is the concept of successive differentiation? So
Yes,
right?
sir.
Yes. Okay.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, Kushi.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Very good. So what about the other people? You got this concept?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
मला कोणीतरी एक कन्सेप्ट पाठवला त्याच्याबद्दल सॉरी बरं का मी तुम्हाला देऊ शकलो नाही रिप्लाय मला कोणी पाठवलं मला माहित नाहीये सिस्टम ऑफ लिनियर इक्वेशनचे एक्झाम्पल मला क्वेश्चन पाठवला होता सॉल्व्ह करून पाठवा बरोबर कोणते पाठवलं कोणी पाठवलं होतं कोणी पाठवलं तुमच्यातलं सिस्टम ऑफ लिनियर इक्वेशनचं इन्फिनाइट नंबर ऑफ सोल्युशनचं काहीतरी त्यांचं चुकत होतं कोणी पाठवलं होतं 2 दिवस झाले माझ्या लक्षात नाही राहिलं आता लक्षात आलं माझं कोणी तुमच्यात नाही का कोणी ओके असं व्हॉट्सअपवर पाठवा आणि तुम्हाला सेंड करतो ज्यांनी पाठवलं त्यांच्यासाठी कधी कधी रिप्लाय उशिरा येतो माझा असून द्या सो जस्ट राईट डाऊन इन फर्स्ट पेज द सिलेबस ऑफ दॅट सक्सेसिव्ह डिफरन्शिएशन these are the syllabus just write down these are the syllabus we have see that definition and symbol and the derivative of some standard function means what there are the lot of function how many type of function 13 or 14 type 1 1 1 2 trigonometric algebraic logarithmic exponential inverse and all these things we have seen in that some standard function okay the nth derivative of function belongs to some polar form then statement of Leibniz theorem very important Leibniz theorem is very important IMP then nth derivative of product of the two function by Leibniz theorem then formation of higher order differential equation for the given function then mean value theorem Rolle's mean value theorem and Lagrange's mean value theorem and Cauchy mean value theorem. These three theorem we have see that example on this Lagrange's, Cauchy and Rolle's mean value theorem. Okay, just write down in first page your syllabus. Then we will start with one by one. लेक्चर मध्ये फोन कसं उचलतोय
सर
हा येस आदित्य
पहिल्या सेमिस्टरला 3 चॅप्टर आहेत का सर 3 युनिट आहेत का
नाही पहिल्या सेमिस्टरला 7 युनिट आहेत पहिल्या सेमिस्टर 7 युनिट आहेत 2 सेक्शन 1 सेक्शन 2 सेक्शन 1 मध्ये 3 युनिट आहेत सेक्शन 2 मध्ये 3 युनिट आहेत ओके सपोज जर आपली एक्झाम लवकर घ्यायची ठरली तर 1 युनिट कॅन्सल होऊ शकतो कुठला कॅन्सल होईल ते पाहता येईल नंतर नाही झाला तर 6 युनिट आपण शिकवणारच आहे नो प्रॉब्लेम पहिल्या जर सेक्शनला जर 3 युनिट असते ना पहिल्या सेमिस्टरला तर मी किती खुश झालो असतो असं हसत म्हणजे एकदम निवांत चाललं असतं आपण एका तासाला एक एक्झाम्पल घेऊन आपण संपलं असतं तसं नाही ना रे 5 प्रत्येक वर्षी प्रत्येक सब्जेक्टला 6 युनिट आहेत मॅथ्स मध्ये बोलता मॅथ्स मध्ये आता बाकीचं कंपॅरिझन करत बसतात लगेच झाल्यावर मला सांगा.
तर झालं लिहून.
सगळ्यांचं
नाही सर.
ओके.
झालं.
ओके ओके. सगळ्यांचं झालं. We go to the next part. Yes, Vishal. Vishal. कुलकर्णी. Please mute yourself.
हा सर.
झालंय का?
नाही.
Mute करा. Okay. So we go to the next page. Okay. Now we start the definition of the successive differentiation and all these things. Okay. So right on the first successive differentiation. Okay. Successive differentiation. What are the definition? When function has been differentiated once, when function has been differentiated once, the result may be again differentiated. The result may be again differentiated, and the process can be repeated indefinitely. Can be repeated indefinitely. Can be repeated indefinitely. So this is called successive differentiation. This is called successive differentiation. Yes, Aditya Godke, are you there? Aditya
Yes,
Godke.
Yes,
Very-
sir.
Chaitanya.
Yes, sir.
हा आहे ना.
हो आहे.
हो सर आहे.
हा, नाही नाही बाकीचं मागचं झालेलं चेक क्लिअर केलं का चैतन्य?
हा.
Okay, okay, very well and good. Okay, okay. So what is successive differentiation? When function has been differentiated, once, the result may be again differentiated, and the process can be repeated indefinitely. So this process is called as successive differentiation. Okay. Suppose if y is equal to f of x, we can take. Then y is equal to f of x, we take. Okay, just write down this. When function has been differentiated once, the result may be again differentiated, and the process can be repeated indefinitely. The process can be repeated indefinitely. So this is called successive differentiation. 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 Okay, झालंय? झालंय?
Yes, sir.
Here, if y is equal to f of x, then we write down the derivative. We write down the derivative like this: dy by dx. This is the first derivative. What is second derivative notation?
d2y by dx.
2y by dx square.
d2y by dx square.
Square.
What is third derivative notation? d cube y by dx cube. In this way, we are take nth derivative, d raised to n y by dx raised to e. Yeah, these are the notation of this derivative. Suppose instead of this dy by dx, so what is the function y is equal to function of x? So we can take the first derivative like this, f dash of x. Second derivative, f double dash of x. Third derivative, f cube of x. Then last derivative, that is the nth derivative, we can write down as f raised to n of x. These are some notation of another notation of this derivative. Instead of this first derivative, we can just simply note as y1, y suffix 1, that is suffix indicate that number of derivative, order of derivative. Then next, y2, this indicate what? What is y2 indicate that?
D square x upon D square y.
Second
D square y upon D square x.
Second derivative.
D square y upon dx square, second derivative. Similarly, y cube, so on, yn. Suppose another notation of this y, instead of the first derivative, we can write on this y dash, then
Y
y
double
double dash, then y triple dash or just y cube. In this way, we can write on y raised to n. This indicate that the derivative, nth derivatives, that index and order, that order indicate what? Order of the derivative. Then next, instead of this y dash, we can just take that, instead of this d by dx, we just take that capital D, dy, d square y, d cube y, so on, d raised to n of y, where d is d by dx, where d is d by dx. Capital D is equal to what? D by dx. Capital D is what? D by dx. Okay, these are the some notation of the derivative. We see the first first notation in terms of dy by dx, d2y by dx square, dqy by dx cube in terms of this d by dx. Second notation in terms of function f dash of x, f double dash of x, f cube of x, and so on and so. Third notation in terms of suffix y1, y2, y3, so on yn. Then next notation y dash, y double dash, y cube, so on, y raised to n. The next notation in terms of what? Dy, capital Dy, d square y, d cube y, and d raised to ny. So what is d is indicate that d by dx. These are the some notation of your derivative. कोणाला पाहिजे मॅडम नंबर? प्रीतम, सुदर्शन.
Yes, sir.
I think it's 20 mark, Sudarshan, I think. प्रीतम, पीसी मॅडम, तुम्हाला कोणाचा नंबर पाहिजे? त्याचं काय पाहिजे? वडिलांचा त्याचा कोणाचा? प्रीतम,
हा सर.
तुझ्या वडिलांचा नंबर मला हे कर की इथे चॅट बॉक्सला टाक की. पीसी मॅडमला पाहिजे तुझा नंबर. स्कॉलरशिपच्या फॉर्म बद्दल काहीतरी विचारायचं वाटतं काहीतरी. स्कॉलरशिप फॉर्म भरला का प्रीतम? प्रीतम, हॅलो.
हॅलो.
हा, स्कॉलरशिप फॉर्म भरला का? रोल नंबर 21. प्रीतम, स्कॉलरशिपचा फॉर्म भरला का रे मित्रा?
हॅलो. हॅलो सर.
स्कॉलरशिपचा फॉर्म भरला का?
नाही सर, माझं कॅप नंतर ऍडमिशन झालंय.
म्हणजे तुझं हे मॅनेजमेंट ऍडमिशन आहे का?
हो.
ओके ओके मॅडम, तुझं मॅनेजमेंट ऍडमिशन मॅनेजमेंट ओके, ते इलिजिबल नाही. ओके ओके चालेल. आणि वडिलांचा नंबर फक्त मला टेस्ट कर इथे.
हो सर.
मॅडमला द्यायचा आहे.
मॅडमला पाठवायचो.
हा, मॅडमला पाठव डायरेक्ट, काय प्रॉब्लेम नाही. ओके, चालतंय.
ठीक आहे.
ओके. हा, सो क्लिअर एव्हरीवन? Now tell me one concept that you know very well. In 12th standard, we have seen this concept. Why we take always this d by dx? Why we take always d by dx? Yes. तुम्ही आतापर्यंत जेवढे फॉर्म्युले पाहिले सगळे इन टर्म्स ऑफ डी बाय डीएक्सच पाहिलेत ना. व्हाय वी टेक ऑलवेज डी बाय डीएक्स? असं का घेत नाही रे आपण? डीएक्स बाय डीवाय का घेत नाही? डीवाय बाय डीएक्स आणि डीएक्स बाय डीवाय काय फरक आहे याच्यामध्ये? आपण असंच का घेतो रे?
डिफरेंशिएशन विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स ना.
हा, यश थोडासा आवाज मला तुझा जरा ह्याला प्लीज रिपीट. पार्डन.
हा, the differentiation with respect to x na, that's why we take d by dx.
Okay, that's why we take d by dx. Okay. Anyone other participant please participate for the debug.
Sir, here y is the function and we want to differentiate it with respect to variable x.
With respect to x. Okay.
That's why we take dy by dx. We can also take dx by dy, but condition is reversed.
Condition is reversed. We can converted this function y is equal to f of x. We can converted this function x is equal to f of y. We can converted x in terms of y. At that time also we can take dy by dx or at that time we also take the dy by dx or dx by dy. Which type we take?
dx by dy.
Why?
Because at that time with respect to y na.
No. You don't. कोणी सांगितलं नाही तुम्हाला कोणी सांगितलं नाही विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स काय घ्यायचंय ते तुम्ही डिसाइड करायचं विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू काय घ्यायचं ते. मग मी तुम्हाला म्हटलं नाही की डीवाय बाय डीएक्स घ्या किंवा डीएक्स बाय डीवाय घ्या. व्हाय वी टेक? Why you take dx by dy or dy by dx?
This function is of y na.
Function, but particularly what it is called as? I want particular answer. I want particular answer. Na? That's why we are asking. Na? This concept already we have seen in 12th standard, no doubt. You शिकलाय. Or we can write on x in terms of f of y. At that time, we use which type of derivative? तुम्हाला विचारलं नाही मी की dx by dy काढा किंवा dy by dx घ्या. तुम्हाला डिसाइड करायचं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह कसा घ्यायचा आहे ते. You must do. Yes. Very good, Shreyash. Very good, Shreyash. I want that answer, but just wait, Shreyash. Roll number 36. Just wait. I want to answer from other participants. Very good, Shreyash. Yes. What about the other people? Yes. Please tell me. Yes. Yes. What about the other people? Please participate. Yes. You don't know or you don't. तू विचारच करत नाहीये. You don't know. तुम्ही आज ह्या व्हाईट बोर्ड सारखे ब्लँक झालाय का तुम्हाला माहितच नाही की तुम्हाला पार्टिसिपेटच करायचं नाही किंवा शेवटचं लेक्चर आहे म्हणून तुम्ही कुठेतरी नुसतं लावून ऐकतायत असं काय आहे का? किंवा समोर कुठला तरी पिक्चर चालू आहे आणि आपलं चाललंय सर चालून दे तुमचं 1 तास तुम्ही बडबड करणार निघून जाणार असं काय नाही ना तुमचं. प्लीज रिप्लाय ऍटलीस्ट इन चॅट बॉक्स. बोलता येत नसेल तर चॅट बॉक्स मध्ये तरी टाका ना. काय कोणाच ठाऊक कोणाचा आवाज. हा ओके. कृष्णा says that something. No कृष्णा. No कृष्णा. No. कोण जॉईन झालं उशिरा? कोण जॉईन झालं?
हॅलो सर, उशिरा नाही झालं. ते पहिल्या फोन मधले 4 संपल्याला ती दुसऱ्या फोन मी जॉईन केल्यात.
बरं ओके अमोल. Yes. Very good Ritesh. I want that answer. Very good Ritesh. Just we wait for other participant. Yes, very good Ritesh. What about the other people? Please tell me fastly. Time is enough. Yes, Riyesh, please unmute yourself and tell me why we take that dy by dx and yes, Riyesh. Your voice is not coming. Please speak loudly. Higher.
X is a dependent function and y is independent function.
No. You just take reverse way. Huh? You just take reverse way. Okay. Okay. So, okay. Yes, Shubham. You want to participate something? Shubham.
Yes, sir.
Yes. You just raise your hand. Na? So that's why I'm asking for you.
No, sir.
Okay. Just see here. If you take that function, if y is equal to f of x, we can take function in that x is independent variable and y is dependent variable. And we always take the derivative rule. Always say that we always take derivative of dependent variable with respect to independent variable. That is the meaning is what? Derivative of dependent variable with respect to derivative of independent variable. That's why we take always dy by dx. Or sometimes if x is equal to f of y, this function is in terms of y. If you change the value of y, if you change the value of y, obviously change the value of x, means x is depend on y, na? X is depend on y. So here x is dependent and y is independent. So that's why we take always dependent with respect to independent. Am I right? So for that's why we are write down in first term if y is equal to f of x. That's why this write down that sentence if y is equal to f of x. Everyone clear this? Why we take dy by dx, dx by dy? If the function express so lot of people are saying something, some good things we are saying. Y is equal to f of x equal to f of x. Atharva, Ritesh, Yash, Sudarshan. Okay. Then Krishna. A lot of people are saying that something. Okay. So why you take that dependent variable with respect to independent variable? Okay, that's the meaning. Suppose we take the another function z in the function of x and y. So how many dependent variable here? How many dependent variable here?
One.
One dependent. And how many independent variable?
Two.
Two independent. So we take the derivative. So what derivative now? What derivative now? Yes, Vishal Kulkarni, please tell me what you take the derivative. Yes, Vishal. Vishal, are you there?
हा सर नाही
सांगू शकता तुम्ही याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काय येऊ शकतो? येस विशाल. नो ते बसले आपण घरी आहात का बाहेर आहे?
घरीच आहे.
घरीच आहे. ओके व्हेरी गुड. म्यूट करा. कोणी सांगू शकतं मला याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह कसं घेऊ शकतात ते? Yes, fastly reply me. Fastly. Yes, everyone. Okay, there are the two type of the derivative. There are the two type of derivative. Which two type of derivative? Yes, anybody? Which two type of derivative? Yes.
Sir, dz upon dx and dz upon dy.
dz upon dx and dz upon dy. आणखी कोणी काय सांगू शकतं का? काय कुठल्या कशा प्रकार डेरिव्हेटिव्ह घेऊ शकतो आपण? दोन टाइप ऑफ डेरिव्हेटिव्ह तुम्ही शिकलेले आहात. हॅलो हॅलो, आवाज येतोय माझा? जस्ट वेट आवाज येतोय का? हॅलो. नेट जाऊन आलं रे. जाऊन आलं जस्ट. गेलेलं सगळं गेलं, पुसून गेलं. असून द्या. Share the another screen. Okay. Yes. Yes. Fastly.
Sir, dz upon dx and dz upon dy.
नाही रे मित्रा, नाही रे मित्रा. मला सांगू शकता का तुम्ही दोन प्रकारचे डेरिव्हेटिव्ह शिकलेले आहात? Yes.
Higher order derivative. Higher order derivative.
आणखी दोन प्रकार डेरिव्हेटिव्ह शिकले आहेत. कुठले कुठले? Yes. Yes, Dipti, can you tell me which two type of derivative you are seeing, Dipti?
No, sir.
No, Taushe, no, Priti, no, is not, no, okay. Yes, Vaishnavi Kulkarni, please tell me which two type of derivative you are seeing. You know or not?
Definite derivative.
No, definite and indefinite, no. It is integral, one type of integral part. Okay. Okay.
Application of derivative.
Application of derivative, no. Very good, Shruti. Very good, Shruti. Shruti says that very good answer. Okay. What about the other Sakshi? Roll number 12, Sakshi.
No, sir.
No. Okay. Deepak. Roll number 14. Deepak.
No, sir.
No. Akshay. Doke Akshay.
Chain rule.
नाही, चेन रूल मध्ये तुम्ही पुढे रूलला गेला रे. अक्षय डोके, सुदर्शन नाही. अक्षय डोके आहात का? डोके अक्षय, रोल नंबर 22. नो अमोल, इट्स रॉंग वन. अक्षय डोके. अक्षय डोके नाही, हिना नाही, चुकलंय. अक्षय डोके आपण आहात का? अक्षय डोके वन आहात का? कॉल टू अक्षय डोके आहेत का? नसेल तर चॅट तरी करा रे. तुम्हाला माझा आवाज खूप आवडत असेल, तुमचा आवाज सांगायचा नसेल तर कॉल तर आपलं चॅट तर करा ना. नो राहुल, नो Kenny, no, it's not. Yes, Sairaj.
No, sir.
Yes.
No, sir.
No.
Sir.
Yes.
Partial derivative.
Yes. What do you pardon?
Partial derivative.
Very good, Saifa. Okay. Shruti says the good answer, and Saifa says the good answer. In terms of derivative, there are the two type of derivative. We have see. One is the plain derivative, that is called as ordinary derivative, and second is partial derivative. In terms of plain derivative, we can take just a d by dx, and partial derivative we can take dou by dou x, or dabba by dabba x. Dou y. तुम्ही dou म्हणताय का dabba म्हणताय? Is dabba y by dabba x or dou y by dou x? Okay, the true pronunciation. So these are the two type of the derivative. When you take the ordinary derivative, when you take the partial derivative. If that function containing only one independent variable, and if function containing more than one independent variable, if function containing one independent variable, then we take the ordinary derivative dy by dx. If function containing more than one independent variable, at that time we take partial derivative. Clear, everyone? Everyone clear? When you take the partial derivative, when you take the partial derivative, and when you take that ordinary derivative.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's the concept. That is very simple concept actually. That is a remind for you. Okay. Now we see some example we take. Suppose we take y is equal to e raised to x. Y is equal to e raised to x. Tell me. So what is the first derivative? Y1. Notation of y1 is dy by dx. Huh? What is y1?
E raised to ax into
E raised to ax into d by dx of
Ax.
ax. What is y1 we got? What derivative of ax is a? A times e raised to x. Similarly, we take y2. What is y2?
A into e raised to x.
A into
S square.
e raised to x. That is the a square. Na? What is the y third derivative? Third derivative of this y?
A cube.
A cube.
A cube.
E raised to x.
E raised to
A into
x.
y2.
In general, what is the y Kanyakumari?
A raised to n. E
A raised to 100.
raised to
100. A raised to ax.
In general, What is the y raised to n? In general, what is y raised to n?
A raised to n,
A
raised to
raised to
n,
ax.
A raised to n, e raised to x.
Here
So
is
in this way, find the nth derivative. Suppose this is same example. From the example we are calculate. So what is the y e raised to x? Then what is the yn? What is the value of a? What is the value of a here now? What is the value of a? A ची value काय रे?
equal to 1.
1 means what is the a? We just put that a
1.
equal to 1. We got that value yn is also e raised to x. Suppose what is y is equal to e raised to minus x? Then what is yn? We just put that a equal to minus 1. What do you get the value?
So, 1
Minus 1 raised to
n.
n e raised to minus x. Suppose we have calculate that y is equal to 2x. Sorry, e raised to 3x. E raised to 3x. Then what is yn? Or what is
Raised to
yn?
n.
Huh?
3 raised to
3 raised to n, e
3
raised
raised
to
to
x.
e raised to 3x.
3x. Suppose in general y is equal to e raised to 2x. Then what is the y50? We calculate y50. What is y50?
2 raised to 50 into e raised to
2
2x.
raised
2
to
to 15.
e raised to 2x. So in this way, we are calculate the, if you know the general formula of that function, you can easily calculate the nth derivative, 100 derivative, 1000 derivative, Kanyakumari, Antarctica, and all and these things. Okay, we are easily calculate. So this is nothing but your successful differentiation. And अख्ख्या युनिट मध्ये आपल्याला हे शिकायचं आहे. Clear? Everyone clear this?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Clear,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Just write down. Just write down now this. Okay. Still, if you need doubt, please ask me. No doubt. जर कोणाला काही अडचण असेल तर मला विचारू शकतात. Clear? आणि हेच तुम्हाला कुठे विचारतात रे? हेच तुम्हाला एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चन असेल. एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चन काय असेल? हाच असेल. आता कधी असं असेल पहा, एक्झाम्पल तुम्हाला असं दिलं असेल हा. सपोज y is equal to x raised to 10. What is the y9? What is y9? मग तुम्ही 9th डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढत बसणार का रे? तर त्यासाठी काही जनरल फॉर्म्युले आहे. तर जनरल फॉर्म्युला काय आहे ते आपण पाहूया. त्याचा ऑब्व्हियसली याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काय असणार आहे? 9 फॅक्टोरियल इंटू एक्स. सॉरी नॉट 9 फॅक्टोरियल, सॉरी 10 फॅक्टोरियल. हा 9 काय असणार आहे? 10 इंटू 8 इंटू सॉरी 9 इंटू 8 इंटू 7 इंटू 6 इंटू 5 इंटू 4 इंटू 3. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 आणि हा 9वा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 2. दॅट इज एक्स. म्हणजे हा काय झाला? in terms of 10 factorial. In terms of 10 factorial. How we calculate? We see later on. Okay. How we calculate? We see later on. Okay. So in this way we have C. In this way we have C. Okay. Everyone clear this? Successive differentiation concept. Everyone clear this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. सगळ्यांचे लिहून झाले?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay, very good, very good.